Hello, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing well. I know it's been a long time since I've made a video. A lot has happened in the past year, good and bad, but I'm here to do an unboxing today of something that's very special that I cannot believe I have, and I'm really excited to unbox it with you guys. And the unboxing today will be of my first ever Chanel bag. I'm super excited. This is going to be from the Metiers collection 2023-2024 that was shown in Dakar. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. We purchased this at the Saks Fifth Avenue here in Phoenix, Arizona. That's where I'm filming at today. It is very hot, so I'm gonna try and get this unboxing done because it's warm. It's very warm today. So, and the lights and everything, it's a lot. So I went ahead and took out the package. We had an amazing sales associate. It is a little dusty, I'm not gonna lie, because we purchased this about 2 weeks ago, and I've been on vacation and we were going here and there and everywhere, and I just wanted to be able to sit down and have a unboxing moment with you all. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the ribbon. Very pretty ribbon. Okay. Is it upside down? No, it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and be inserting photos of like the day when I tried everything on, like the process of signing everything. It was such a beautiful production, and it's been a long time in the making. So there we are. Almost dropped it. It's so pretty. So this is my first time seeing it since we bought it. So I'm gonna make this as elegant as I can. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and set the box aside. Wow, look how this is gonna be. Oh my gosh! I haven't seen this piece since we bought it, and it was. I don't want to ruin the tissue paper. Whoa! Okay, so there's that piece of tissue paper, beautifully wrapped by my amazing sales associate Dan. Here's all like the care booklet, basically, as I want to call it, the birth certificate, the one that I had to sign. Yeah, because I think it is a timeless piece, timeless classic piece. But we'll go ahead and get into it. So there's the dust bag. I don't know if you can see it, but we're gonna go ahead and reveal it. Ta-da! Look how beautiful. And this is from the Metiers collection, from the Dakar collection, and this one is called the Sunset bag. This is the sequin Sunset bag. I absolutely love it. And this is the first time I have been seeing it since we bought it like 2 weeks ago, almost going on 3 weeks. It is still so stunning. It is absolutely gorgeous. I can't even get over it, how stunningly beautiful it is. I cannot wait I cannot wait to put this on. I'm losing all my words because I'm just really happy. Like, I'm really happy. Like, it's my first Chanel piece. I wanted it to be something super special, something unique, and something that, I don't like, there's a beautiful story behind this beautiful bag. This is the one it's immaculately made. I just cannot even get over it. I don't even know if that's a word, but I love it. It is so pretty. And there's actually another piece that I'm going to unbox right now. So I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. I just looked in the box. Here's the camellia to the classic flap. So yeah, I guess it fell off, but so I did get that. So I did get that. So here is the second piece. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So we're gonna go ahead and take the camellia off. Put that right there. Unbox this. Again, it's a little dusty, so I might sneeze because yeah, I haven't had a chance to really so there, take that off. Here we go. To reveal the card wallet in this coral lambskin color. Absolutely beautiful. And they pair well so beautifully together. Like, hold on, let me get that. They pair so well together. I am just super grateful to have both of these pieces added to my collection. It's been a rough year, and yeah, like I don't want to go down that road of everything that's happened, but I'm grateful to be in the spot I am now. I'm grateful to be where I'm at right now, to be surrounded by family and friends and loved ones in the United States and in France that support me and just want the best for me, and I'm doing my best to get through everything and not get past it. And this is, I don't want to say it's a milestone, but this is a reminder of all the good things that are yet to come and the fun adventures that are going to be happening. And this is just a beautiful representation of that. I use handbags and stuff as like, I guess, markers in my life, and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but this is going to be a beautiful, beautiful marker in my life. I don't even know if that's the right word to marker, but whenever I look at it, I know the story behind it, the representation that it means, and all the love and joy that is attached to this bag. And no matter where I'm at, where I decide to pull it out, it's gonna have that beautiful feeling attached to it, and I am forever grateful. And that's my unboxing of my brand new Chanel mini flap from the Metiers Dakar 2023-2024 collection, as well as my brand new card holder to go with it. I'm just all over the place. I'm just super happy. I'm super grateful. And again, I know that I'm surrounded with love, I'm surrounded with happiness, and I know that the future is going to be very bright and full of just fun adventures for me and for everybody. And with that, I'll go ahead and sign off, and I'm going to go ahead and go play with this beauty. And again, I hope everybody is well, I hope everybody's happy, and I hope everybody's safe. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.